guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry, and today I actually wasn't even going to film this exact video. I was just going to get ready real quick and film another video, but I thought, well, I am using a couple new makeup items that I'm really liking, and I thought I would just share those with you as well. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, but you would like to be, I would love to have you, so just look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you do like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. I've already done all of my morning skincare, and of course my final step that I talk about all the time, I used sunscreen prior to putting on my makeup. I've had this on for about 45 minutes. This is one of my favorites by Paula's Choice. It's her Essential Glow Moisturizer, but it is an SPF 30. It has an all mineral sunscreen in it as well, and it does just give my skin a nice little glow underneath my makeup. And then of course I also layered a little bit of my Color Science 3-in-1 just under my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit, but also to add an additional layer of sunscreen. And today I wanted to try this new primer. It's by Lancer. It's called Studio Filter Pore Perfecting Primer. I got this in one of my beauty subscription boxes. I don't even know if primers honestly really even work on me. It's like I try so many different ones and I'm never like, oh my gosh, my skin looks amazing after I used a primer. And I don't even notice that it makes my foundation last longer. I don't know about you guys, but to me, primer, this is not an essential step. For my foundation, I'm going to use my Cosmetic CC cream. I'm also going to mix it with this one that I'm using up. This is medium tan and this is medium. These are the original ones, by the way. So when I have breakouts on my face like this, I actually don't put layer after layer of foundation on because I still like my skin to show through. Even though I do have some melasma, hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, I still want my skin to show through. I just don't like that thick cake face looking makeup. So what I do is I just put on just a regular layer of my Cosmetic CC cream, but then I just spot conceal with my favorite concealer. This is by Clé de Peau. I talk about it all the time. I don't use it under my eyes because I feel like it's too thick and it'll get a little creasy. These are blemishes that are already healed. It's just they stay red and ugly on my face for a long time. Oh, and by the way, this is not a hairstyle. I just put these little clips in just to pull my hair out of my face so that I'm not getting makeup all over my hair. For my concealer, I'm going to mix my Derma Blend. This is the Smooth Liquid Camo Concealer. This is in the shade medium. I'm going to get the one that's just a smidgy lighter and then probably just mix those. And then I also am going to use just a dot of my Tarte Shape Tape. Sometimes I don't like the way this does get creasy on me, but I really love the coverage on this. I just mix it with another concealer and then it just works perfectly. Just gonna switch sponges. This is my favorite sponge. I use this one all the time, but it's starting to look pretty bad even with me washing it so much. This is my Sigma 3D HD blending sponge, so I just need to get another one of these. Just gonna set all of this with one of my favorite powders. This is by Well People. It's spelled W3LL People, and this is their Bio Brightener Invisible Powder. I think this used to sell out constantly because it really is such an amazing powder, and I believe it's like clean beauty. It is. I'm pretty sure it is. I'll have to look it up. Cruelty free. It's clean. I love this powder. It's so finely milled. I don't get it all creasy and cracky, and it doesn't break me out. I absolutely love this powder. Just gonna put on a little of my Marc Jacobs bronzer. So this is the blush I'm going to use today. You guys know my all-time favorite is the Milani blush called Delicioso Pink, and I'm sure I'll put a pop of that on my cheeks at the very end. But this is one by Burt's Bees. I saw this at Walmart a few weeks ago and picked it up. I want to pick up some other colors. This is a beautiful blush. It's a matte blush. It's called Shy Pink. I really like this. I've actually never tried anything from Burt's Bees before other than like chapstick. If there's any products by Burt's Bees that you guys think are so amazing that I should try, let me know because I actually really love this blush and want to go back and get the rest of the shades. For my eyeshadow today, I was going to use this Physicians Formula, their Butter Eyeshadow Palette. Let me open it again. I've had this for about 3 weeks now and I've played around with it quite a bit. Some of the shades, you know, I absolutely love, but I'm not going to use it today, and the reason why, if you guys know what butter bronzers smell like, that's exactly what this eyeshadow palette smells like. Now, I absolutely love fragrance. I just don't like it in my skincare and definitely not in my eyeshadow. Over time, when you keep using skincare or makeup that has this fragrance in it, you might not have any issues now and maybe not even for years, but you could eventually develop an allergy to this, and especially something like this, an eyeshadow, putting it around your eyes. I will say a couple times my eyes were kind of watery and I thought, is it my mascara? But I kind of think it's from this because the fragrance was irritating my eyes. So for today's eyeshadow look, I use this in another one of my Get Ready With Me's, but this is one that I reach for pretty often when I just do my everyday eye look. This is from the Emily Edit, the Needs palette. I'm just gonna put this bronzer in my crease, and then I'm going to darken it up with one of these shades, and then I'll probably put these on my lid. I like to mix everything, and then I'm going to use this shade, which is my all-time favorite shade. I'm going to use this as my eyeliner. Gonna do my brows real quick. I could have done them before my eyeshadow, but you know, either way is fine with me. And I'm just gonna put on my Rimmel Brow This Way brow pencil. Going to tightline my upper waterline with this black. It's a waterproof black gel eyeliner. I'll use anything that's a gel or waterproof liner, either black or dark brown, and I'll just do that to line up inside on the waterline there to help give more definition to my eyelashes. And I'm going to do this skin tone. It's got a hint of shimmer, but no chunky glitter that would get in my eyes. It's by Maybelline, and I'll list it down below. I can't read what the shade is, but it's just kind of like a peachy hint of shimmer, and I just like to put that in my lower waterline, and it'll help make the eyes look just a smidgy bigger. I don't really like to put a dark eyeliner on the bottom because it'll make my eyes look really, really small. For my mascara, I was in Walgreens the other day and I saw this. It said it's new by number 7. I don't really know how new it is. It could just, you know, still be the new tag that's on it. It might be 8 months old. I haven't even looked it up, but it's new to me, so that's why I'm going to use it today. Now for the part that I'm really excited to share with you. I just got this the other day. This is by Wet n Wild. This to me is better than a lot of my high-end lip products, and I think Wet n Wild has a lot of really, really amazing lip products and eyeshadows also. So this is what it looks like swatched on my hand, and that's just one swipe. I'll do it again. This is so pigmented and it's so creamy. It's like a satin matte finish, and I still put a lip gloss over it, but it's just extremely creamy when I put it on. It doesn't settle into my lip lines, which that's what I love. It doesn't make my lips look more wrinkly than they already are. And if you want to put just a very sheer coat on and then blend it and blot it and put a gloss over it, it's beautiful that way for kind of a little bit darker than a Your Lips But Better look. And my lips are extremely dry right now. I should have exfoliated first, but that's okay. When I was also in Walgreens, I have every single shade of this, so I thought, until I saw this one. This is the Milani, this is the Keep It Full lip gloss. I just want to put just a thin layer of that over top of this lipstick and just see what it looks like. What do you guys think of this color? I think it's really pretty, but I typically do go a little bit lighter than this. I guess I'll put on just a smidgy of highlighter. I'm just gonna use one of the samples I have of this Cover FX highlighter. This is in the shade, I think it's Moonlight. I love this stuff. I have a few of these, so when I run out, I am actually just gonna get the big one. Look how you only need just like the smallest amount, and I literally can highlight here. I'll just do it all. I don't wanna bring this highlighter down too much because I don't wanna accentuate the texture on my face where my face is breaking out. And then we'll just put a smidgy down the center of our nose. But look, I still have some left on my finger even after doing that. These little ones, they last me forever. To finish off my look, I always like to just put a little pop of my Delicioso Pink by Milani just right here on the apples of my cheeks. They don't sell this in stores anymore. They actually don't even have it on their website. Like, maybe I'm just the only oddball who loves this beautiful pink girly shade. I just think this is so pretty. I wear this in almost every single video. It's more of a cool blush. It's like a pink with some purple undertone. So I'm just gonna use this new brush I got. I think this is from my Ipsy bag. It's called Farrah. I'll see if I can find it and link it down below. It is so soft. It's great for powder, but I'm just gonna use it for a little blush. Then we can take our hair down. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please just leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I thank you guys so much for your continued support, and I hope you guys have a great day.